Okay, so we have the Type 56 SKS disassembled. You can see how much cosmoline was used before they stored these. So I'm going to be using a combination of mineral spirits, crud cutter, to get rid of all that. For the stock, I'll be using Murphy's oil soap. It seems to work pretty well from past experience. But you can see, boy, it's got a lot of stuff on here to remove. So, the thing I like about this is the before and after. It's just such a difference. It's always fun. So, I'm going to get working on it, and I'll be getting back to you all shortly. Thanks for watching.